Morning pond lovers. So yeah, it's a busy time for Jamie, all over the place at the minute. Up at the koi show today, the growing show, Dannys and Cashys Grow show, taking some bonsais up there, get some footage of the day. When I get back, I've got the Koi Club meet at Daniel's Pond on Sunday, and then as soon as that's finished, we're going to snap right in to the giveaway. So on that note guys, I'll catch you at the growing show. Morning pond lovers. So yeah, another day, another dollar. We are here at Cashy and Dannys growing show. I've got my little bonsai stall behind me. Got Linda, Fenland Lass, over there. Cashy and the growing show table there. We've got Will, in fact let me spin you around. Will and his amazing wire bonsais over here. I've already picked up a couple more coasters. It's the man himself, look, there's Will. He's the big man himself, look. Danny, a supplier of all the fish, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute. Got the other Danny over there having a waffle with all the dry goods. Got some trophies. Tea and coffees out there. Got Linda, Fen and Lass with all our bitty bobs over here. The owls are here as well. Fenland's resin. Yeah, look, QR code on the back. If you want any Fenland resin, scan them. Got Thor out here. Say morning, Thor.
Is that what it's called?
It is. Got some statues. And then we'll go and have a look at the fish. It's a bit breezy out here today, so apologies if the wind gets up a bit. It's another man. Man himself, Will. Oh, look, what have we got in here? Oh, that is a nice goshki. I like that. Didn't bring my polarizer today. A couple of nice Akamatsubas. Some lemon arawakis. Do like that goshki though. Really do like that goshki. A couple of goshkis in there. And that's the asagi. Some lovely asagi in there, a bit airy, but I can see them. Don't know if they're coming out on camera, but very nice. And the shower. Yeah, some real nice high quality fish here today. Might only be little, but and then we've got,
you know, a proper salt.
You've got Shinoda here, Tories, and then a mix of Yamazan, mixed Tosai, and there's some Yamazan Tamasaba in there as well, Japanese goldfish.
There you go, you heard it from the man himself. Some cracking fish in there. And then back in my little bonsais. So we've got some nice Japanese maples, some Scots pines. I don't think I've got, oh no, I've got one Japanese black pine here today. Got some sycamores, some hazels, some snake bark maples, a few more sycamores, some apple trees, some buxus, and lots of other bits and bobs all tucked in there. One or two junipers. Some mind your own business for the pond lovers. A few more down there. A few bonsai pots. The good old bowl nets. Everybody loves a bowl net. And because I've grew way too many this year, I bought some tomatoes down as well. But, yeah, so that's me. The bonsai tools are here. I don't think anyone's going to be bringing any bonsai trees for me to work on today, because last year I was messaged and said if they bring them down, could I work on them? And I said yes. This year I've had no messages, so hopefully it's a good day, and hopefully it's bigger, better and busier than last year. Wow, what a fantastic day that was. Absolutely loved it. Thank you to everybody, all the viewers, for coming over and having a chinwag with me. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Didn't have any bonsais to work on this year, but I sat there at the table and worked on some of my own bonsais. Gave me a chance to do a lot of stuff I've been meaning to do all year. But yeah, sold a few. Hope the people that have bought them will enjoy them, and I hope everyone had a fantastic day just as I did. So thanks Danny, thanks Cashy for holding that. Unfortunately I didn't get any footage of Daniel's pond, but we'll come back to that very shortly. Yeah, I also come away with some new mugs. So this one is a Cashy Koi mug. Love that logo, that's awesome. Cashy's Koi. If you haven't seen his channel as well, go over and check him out. I've put everybody's names that I filmed in the video. And then I've also got a Scrag 68 mug. Again, another great koi channel. If you haven't seen him, go over and check him out. But Scrag also gave me, I'm not going to unravel the whole thing, but a bowl tape measure. And that's the Koi Keeper's logo. He wasn't there on the day today, but it's also got Phil from Telford's Koi Pond logo on it, and also Scrag's as well. And that'll probably end up in my little blue bowl. So I'm afraid whoever's at the end of this list is probably going to get cut off, I'm afraid, because my little blue bowl is only little. So thanks guys for the mugs. They will go to the collection when the new pond build is finished. They will be going up in there on display with all the rest of them. So thanks guys. Let's crack back on and get this draw done. So yeah, we're just going to crack on right away with the giveaway. What's up for grabs is the 2 magnet charging cables. Now, if you didn't see that video, I'm sorry, you're too late, but they're very, very good quality cables. If you want to see how good quality cables, go back and check out that video. There is a link in the description in that video for these cables. This one that we're giving away, if it'll focus, no, it won't focus, but this is a black cable, 1.5 meters, and this is the A to C cable, as you can see up there. And then this one is black as well, also 1.5 meter, and this one is the C to C cable, so micro USB-C to micro USB-C. So let's turn around. I'll quickly show you the cable and we'll get the draw done. And the reason why I can show you the cable is it's currently plugged into the laptop we're using to do the draw. Right, here we are on the random comment picker, but as you can see I've got the cable down here, so let's show you what you're going to get. This is a grey version. This is the 1.5 meter version, and it's a magnetic cable. So stretch it out. All you got to do, run your fingers through it, and it's just a normal cable again, but I like to have mine kept very, very short. Let me zoom you out. Yeah, so it stops the tangles, stops all the tangling up, it sticks together. You can loop it as thick as you like, as small as you like. I like having mine nice and small because this is the cable that I put on my battery banks when I'm out and about filming koi videos for you guys, which there's a couple of awesome videos coming up. And I won't spoil the surprise, but I do announce it in the next video. But got a bit of a trip coming up. But yeah, so that's the cable that you're going to win. These ones, 1.5 meters, I think, are around £16–17. But yeah, so let's crack on. Comment pickers there. Let me zoom you back in so you can see it. A bit bigger. There we go. Right, so I've already copied and pasted the link. Fetch. We don't want anything goes. We want keyword filter. And we'll do A and C first. This is for the A to C cable. USB-A to USB-C. That's the standard cables. And good luck, everybody. 20 comments let's pick a winner. Daniel Jolly 1036. He said, AC, keep up the good work, mate. So thanks, Daniel. Yeah, you're which one's that one? That's the CC. So you are the lucky winner of the magnetic data charging cable. So we'll cross that off, and to pick another winner would give me the same A and C. So we need to refresh the page. As you can see, I'm doing all this live. Repaste that, fetch, and keyword filter. And this time we're going for CC, for the CC cable. For this one, only 15 comments. So let's pick a winner. It's gone a bit out of focus. Let's see if we can sort that out. There we go. Now you can see it better. And good luck, everybody. And the winner is Alistair Marks. He said, CC, thank you for your video. Do you have a URL for the ASHP, which is the air source heat pump? And in the future, will you be discussing why you chose this particular one? I have already replied to his comment. Yes, I will be telling you why I've bought this one. And I've already sent him the link. It's in the pinned comments on that video if you haven't already seen the one that I've bought. So yeah, congratulations, guys. So Alistair, that's your one. Daniel, that's your one. Drop a note in the comments. In fact, I'll tell you what, I'll put my work email address along the bottom of the screen here. Drop me an email, drop me your address, and I'll get these out to you as soon as physically possible. So yeah, hope you're both happy with them. There'll be more giveaways coming soon. I've got some plans for some more giveaways, but let's get this build out of the way first. Luckily, the heron's not been back for a few days. So yeah, just absolutely great day. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. Obviously, we went to Daniel's Pond on the Sunday for the Koi Club meet. Daniel's Pond's absolutely amazing. If you want to see that video, I'll stick it up there. But on that note, guys, thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next one.